and ADA solutions. XE-L-HE raises the standard of industrial X-ray testing. An innovative system with an emphasis on versatility. XE-L-HE is powerful, precise, and features new functions that guarantee unprecedented performance. XE-L-HE combines the features of several systems, allowing inspections of a wide range of objects from macro to micro components. An inverted L-shaped sliding door allows heavy objects to be top-loaded. With its power and large load capacity, XE-L-HE can inspect complex, large, very thick, and heterogeneous objects. A microfocus source can be installed in addition to the mini-focus source. This permits high-resolution analysis of small components with details of just a few microns. The 16 inches flat panel is a matrix sensor that converts X-rays into a digital signal. The robust 7-axis manipulation system features brushless motors with multi-turn absolute encoder. The touchscreen graphic interface is easy and intuitive, and the sophisticated algorithm-based software guarantees the highest quality image and post-processing performance. Specifically designed filters further process the image, enhancing even the most subtle features. With its modular approach, XE-L-HE allows for future addition of components and extra functions to the initial configuration. Like the linear detector array, which increases the scannable volume with further enhancement of the image quality and reduction of tomography artifacts. Or the anti-scatter focusing, which eliminates diffuse and scatter radiation interference, enhancing the X-ray image. X-wide view is an additional function that enlarges the field of view up to 16 inches even with an 8 inches sensor through panel shifting. XE-L-HE can be equipped with the most advanced tomographic and 3D reconstruction software. And with a quick scan function, producing an initial 3-dimensional image in just 20 seconds. Versatility, power, precision. Technology made in Italy. Join us into the future of industrial X-rays with XE-L-HE.